This is question 17 on page 789. So it says one circle has a radius of 1/2 and another circle has a radius of 1. What is the ratio of the area of the larger circle to the area of the smaller circle? So you're always given the area of the circle in the beginning of each math section. It's pi r squared. So you can just plug in the radii for these two circles. And first they want the area of the larger circle. So that would be pi 1 squared. And then they're comparing that to the ratio of the smaller circle, which is pi 1/2 squared. And if you're doing this by hand, you have to remember to distribute the square to the top and the bottom. You can also put it in your calculator as 0.5 squared. Either way, what you're going to get is you're going to get pi 1/4 or pi 0.25, and 1 squared is 1. So you end up having 1 pi, which is the same as just pi, compared to 1/4 pi. And then here's where it gets a little bit tricky because you have to figure out which of these represents the ratio of 1 to 1/4. So there's a lot of ways you could do it at this stage. It's really kind of them that they don't have 1 to 4 here, because that could be confusing. You have to figure out how much greater 1 is than 1/4. So one way to do that is to divide 1 by 1/4. So remember, 1 divided by 1/4 is the same as 1 times the reciprocal of 1/4. So 1/4 goes into 1 4 times. So therefore the ratio of the area of the larger circle to the area of the smaller circle is 4 to 1. And that's the answer D.